This is the video tutorial dedicated to help you get rid of the browser hijacker called smartresultsnow.net. Smartresultsnow.net is a malicious website that is related to this particular browser hijacker. It may change a lot of crucial browser settings without the user's permission. Smart Results Now hijacker does not give anything smart. It just operates as a browser hijacker, and it is often spread through integration with some free applications. In most of the cases, people just download and install it absolutely unintentionally. If this hijacker was installed, you need to get rid of it. The best solution to clean your computer fully is Combo Cleaner Antivirus, in our opinion. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install the software, and then start thoroughly investigating your computer. This program will help you to effectively detect and delete any other possibly concealed infections. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.